Hello friends, welcome in this video. In this video, we are going to study here topic energy flow in an ecosystem. In an ecosystem, there is presence of biogeochemical cycle. Biogeochemical cycle in which there is flow of nutrients within an ecosystem. And the flow of nutrients in an ecosystem is cyclical way. Biogeochemical cycle includes different types of gaseous cycle and sedimentary cycle. Gaseous cycle includes nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. While sedimentary cycle includes soil, rocks, etc. Oxygen cycle. The circulation and recycling of oxygen within the biosphere is called as oxygen cycle. Biosphere, which includes atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, in which there is some amount of oxygen is present. In atmosphere, 21% oxygen is present. This cycle includes biotic and abiotic factors. Biotic factors like plants, animals, microbes, etc. Abiotic includes different types of chemical reactions which occurs in atmosphere. Oxygen is continuously produced as well as used in the atmosphere. Oxygen is highly reactive element and it readily reacts with other elements and compounds. When oxygen element react with iron metal, there is formation of iron oxide. When magnesium ribbon burnt in air, magnesium oxide is formed. This shows that elements react with each other and there is formation of some of the compounds. Metals react with oxygen and their metal oxides are formed. Example, iron react with oxygen and iron oxide is formed. Observe the oxygen cycle, which includes different types of processes. Plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. During that, oxygen gas is released, which is utilized by the plants and animals during respiration. When the process of respiration occurs, oxygen is utilized and carbon dioxide gas is released. This carbon dioxide gas is utilized by the plants for the process of photosynthesis. Oxygen found in various forms like molecular oxygen, O2, water, H2O, carbon dioxide, CO2 and some other inorganic compounds also. During the process of photosynthesis, oxygen gas is released and plants use carbon dioxide gas which is present in the atmosphere. Animals uses oxygen during respiration and they releases carbon dioxide. In this way, there is cyclical flow of carbon dioxide and oxygen takes place in atmosphere. Oxygen is also utilized for processes such as combustion, decomposition, corrosion, rusting, etc. In case of burning purpose, there is use of oxygen. During the process of decomposition, microbes use oxygen and the process of decomposition occurs. When iron articles is in contact with oxygen, iron oxides are formed, which is here called as rust. The reddish brown layer which is formed on the iron article called as rust, and the process of rusting takes place by using the oxygen element. Most microorganisms use oxygen for respiration, and such microbes are called as aerobes. Here aerobes means presence of oxygen for respiration. Microbes who do not need oxygen for respiration called as anaerobes. Oxygen is important for the synthesis of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, etc. It is also used in various chemical reactions. Ozone, O3, which is also produced from oxygen by various atmospheric processes. What is meant by nitrogen fixation and which microbes fix the atmospheric nitrogen? Nitrogen fixation is the first step involved in nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen is converted into nitrates, nitrites through various processes such as atmospheric, industrial and biological. Nitrogen fixation occurs. The nitrogen fixation takes place by the microbes Rhizobium. Rhizobium present in the root nodules of leguminous plant, which brings about the process of nitrogen fixation. Rhizobium bacteria fixes atmospheric nitrogen and which convert into different compounds of the nitrogen. There is presence of leguminous plant like soybean plant, fenugreek plant, groundnut plant, etc., which have legumes on the root part of the plant, and these leguminous plant contains Rhizobium bacteria. Nitrogen cycle. The circulation and recycling of nitrogen gas into the different form of different compounds through various biotic and abiotic processes occurring in nature is called as nitrogen cycle. In atmosphere, 78% nitrogen is present, which is maximum proportion in atmosphere. Observe the nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle, which includes atmospheric nitrogen, which is absorbed by the bacteria like Rhizobium, that fixes atmospheric nitrogen and which convert into different compounds of nitrogen like nitrates, nitrites, ammonia, etc. It includes different important processes like nitrogen fixation, ammonification, nitrification, denitrification. Nitrogen fixation, in which nitrogen is converted into nitrates and nitrites through various processes such as atmospheric, industrial and biological nitrogen fixation. And nitrogen fixation takes place by Rhizobium bacteria. Ammonification. Ammonia is released through decomposition of dead bodies and excretory waste of organisms. nitrification. In nitrification, ammonia, it convert into nitrite and then nitrate. Denitrification, it involves conversion of nitrogen compounds into gaseous nitrogen. In case of nitrogen cycle, these are the some of the important processes which includes nitrogen fixation, ammonification, nitrification and denitrification.